Ready to supercharge your Retell AI calls with the power of automation using N8n. First, let's jump into the N8n platform. You'll need to have an N8n account. Head to your workspace and create a new workflow and name it something like Retell AI integration. Next, click the button to add your first node. This is where the magic begins. Search for Retell AI and select the Retell AI trigger from the list. Now, connect Retell AI as a trigger. Within the Retell AI node, you'll choose the event that kicks off your workflow. Options include new call recordings, transcriptions, or any other relevant event. You'll then need to link your Retell AI account. This usually involves entering your API key. If you don't know your API key, retrieve it from your Retell AI dashboard in your Retell AI account. Once the Retell AI nodes are properly configured, start adding the other nodes. Let's say you want to send a notification to Slack when a call is recorded. Find the Slack node to connect, or you could use Gmail or other service integrations available. Configure this node by connecting the necessary parameters, such as the channel and the message you'd like to send. You can reference data from other nodes, like information from the call. Finally, activate your workflow and start testing. Retell AI calls will now instantly trigger your customized workflow. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Retell AI and N8n. This seamless integration lets you connect calls to the apps you use every day, automate your workflows, and save time by connecting other services, allowing you to streamline every process in seconds. Make sure to like and subscribe for more automation tips.